In this lesson, we will understand what are strings in C language. We will also see how to declare and initialize strings in C language. With that, we will also see an example. Let's start. Strings in C are arrays of characters that are terminated by a null character. They are used to store and manipulate text. Since C does not have a dedicated string data type, strings are typically represented as arrays of characters. Here, let's say you have a string Lionel, Lionel, and you need to declare and initialize the same string in C. For that, you can use an array of characters like this. Use the char data type, then the name of the array like we saw in the arrays lesson. So here we have given celeb, and after that you can mention the string. So what we have done here, we have initialized a string at the time of declaration. So here we haven't added the null character since the compiler adds it on its own. Also, we haven't added the size because it is optional. It is automatically determined by the length of the string plus 1 for the null terminator. Okay, so this is how we can declare and initialize a string in C. Now let us see an example to create a string in C language. Here is our VS Code. We added all the projects in Amit project folder. Let us create a new file. Right click, new file, demo28.c. Now let us add a comment. I'll add the header file also with the main function. Now let us create a string. I'll declare and initialize in a single line like we saw before. Char celeb, then the string. Now let us print it. Since it is a string, we will add the %s format specifier and then the name. Here it's visible. Okay, that's it. This will print your string, that is array of characters. Go to file, save, right click, run. Here it is. We have printed our first string. Okay, like this. So in this way we can create a string in C language. So you can also declare and initialize the same string with the null character and size in square brackets like shown here with 7 as the size, as well as each and every character with the null also. Let us see another example. So here we are writing the name of a website. Okay, the declaration and initialization of the above string can also be done like this. Here we have taken the array name as website. We have added array of characters, and in the end the null character is also added. Here we haven't added the size because it is optional. So this is also how you can create a string in C language. So let us see another example. In this we will print the name of the website, and we have represented each and every character. In the end, can you see the null character? And as I told before, in arrays the index begins with 0, so that's why the word s of the website is at the 0th index. Okay, in this way the flow of indexes and characters go on. Let us see the example. We will create a new file. Right click, new file, demo29.c. Let us add a comment. Okay, so here we are creating a string in C language with an alternative way, different from what we saw before. I'll add a header file and the main function. first. Let's say our array name is website and I'll print the name of the website. Okay, first like this. Okay, the last character is a null character. So first I'll add that. Now one by one, I'll add the characters. Okay, here it is. We have added the characters one by one. Okay, and the last one is the null character. Now let us printf. Format specifier S for a string and the name. Return. That's it. Let us save and I'll print it. Right click, run. Okay, here it is, learning website for free tutorials and the name Studiopedia. We saw an alternative way to create a string in C language. So guys, we saw what are strings in C language, how to create a string. We saw how to declare and initialize a string. With that, we ran 2 programs to learn how to create strings. Thank you for watching the video.